This is where some of the best views in Japan can be had, on the Rainbow Bridge. Here's part 2 of the original video. I'm live on Twitch right now, and Kick, and YouTube, and TikTok, etc. Go on the bio. Twitch is the main cash meow. Follow me there. Enjoy the view in AK60. Ooh la la, it's beautiful. A little bit overcast, but beautiful nonetheless. I'm gonna take some photos as well. We will go to the other side. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy. See you online. Peace.